Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are you planning to start investing in 2025 but confused about where to put your money? Stocks look exciting but risky, and saving accounts give almost nothing in return. The perfect middle ground for beginners is mutual funds. They give you diversification, professional management, and long term growth without you having to pick individual stocks. Hey, wait a second. Before we dive into the video, make sure to hit that subscribe button. That way, you will get notified whenever I upload valuable finance content. Alright, let's jump into the video. In this video, I am going to share the top 5 safe mutual funds for beginners in 2025 in India. We will also cover why mutual funds are beginner friendly, which types are best to start with, and how exactly you can begin investing step by step. So, if you have been waiting to grow your money smartly in 2025, stay tuned because by the end of this video, you will know exactly which mutual funds are worth considering and how to start safely. Before we dive into the list, let's quickly clear up the difference between stocks and mutual funds. When you buy a stock, you are buying ownership in a single company. If that company does well, your stock value goes up. If it struggles, you lose money. Simple, but very risky if you do not know how to pick. In my channel, I had uploaded a beginner friendly video about how to pick best stocks for beginner and stock market basics and so on. If you want to know more about it, just pause this video, then go through that part in my finance playlist. Alright. Now here a mutual fund on other hand collects money from thousands of investors and invest it into a basket of stocks or bonds. So instead of depending on just one company, your money is spread across many companies. That diversification reduces risk. Think of it like this. Owning one stock is like putting all your fruits in one basket. If the basket falls, everything is gone. A mutual fund is like having 10 different baskets. Even if one drops, the rest stays safe. Now, why are mutual funds the best starting point for beginners in 2025? Number 1. Professional management. You do not need to research balance sheets and valuation ratios. A fund manager and their team do all of that for you. Number 2. Diversification. With just one mutual fund, you can own shares in 30, 50, or even 100 different companies. Number 3. Flexibility. You can start investing with as little as 500 rupees a month through SIPs. Number 4. Regulated and transparent. In India, SEBI regulates mutual funds strictly, making them safer compared to random stock tips or chit funds. So, for beginners who want to build wealth slowly and safely, mutual funds are the best options. Now, let's talk about the types of mutual funds you should look at as a beginner. Number 1. Large cap funds. These invest in India's top 100 companies, stable and reliable. Number 2. Index funds. These simply copy indices like Nifty 50 or Sensex, no fund manager bias, very low cost. Number 3. Balanced or hybrid fund. These invest partly in stocks and partly in bonds. They give both growth and stability. Number 4. ELSS funds. Equity linked saving schemes, which not only grow your money but also give tax benefits under Section 80C. For beginners in 2025, the safest choice are large cap funds, index funds, and some balanced funds. Here's the part you have been waiting for, my top 5 picks for 2025. Remember, this is for educational purposes, not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing. Number 1. Nippon India Index Fund Nifty 50 Plan. If you want a simple, no nonsense start, this fund just mirrors the Nifty 50. Low cost, very transparent, and you directly benefit from India's top companies. Number 2. UTI Nifty 50 Index Fund. Another great index option, one of the oldest and most trusted index funds in India, perfect for beginners who do not want surprises. Number 3. HDFC Top 100 Fund, a large cap mutual fund that focuses on India's biggest companies, long track record, reliable management, and steady performance. Number 4. ICICI Prudential Balanced Advantage Fund. This is a hybrid fund. It automatically shifts between equity and debt depending on market condition. Great for beginners who want stability with growth. Number 5. Axis Blue Chip Fund. One of the most popular beginner friendly fund. It invests in large, high quality companies with strong management. A safer equity option for long term growth. These 5 funds cover both index investing and actively managed large cap or hybrid strategies. Perfect mix of safety, growth, and simplicity for 2025. Now, the big question, how do you actually start? Step 1. Choose your platform. You can use Grow, Zerodha Coin, Paytm Money, or directly invest through AMC websites. Step 2. Complete your KYC. It's a one time process usually done online with Aadhaar and PAN. Step 3. Select your fund and choose between SIP or lump sum. For beginners, SIP is the best. Start small, even 500 rupees a month. Step 4. Track but don't overreact. Check performance once in 6 months or a year. Don't panic at small market dips. Now let's make sure you avoid common mistakes most beginners make. Mistake number 1. Chasing past performance. Just because a fund gave 20% last year does not mean it will repeat every year. Look at 5 to 10 year consistently. Mistake number 2. Starting too many funds. You do not need 10 mutual funds, 3 to 4 are more than enough. Mistake number 3. Stopping SIPs during a market crash. In fact, crashes are the best time to continue SIP because you buy more units at lower prices. Pro tip, always link your investments to your goals. Are you investing for retirement, house purchase, or just wealth creation? That helps you pick the right category and stay disciplined. So, to quickly recap, mutual funds are safer and smarter for beginners compared to direct stock. Large cap funds, index funds, and balanced funds are the best starting points. The top 5 funds to look at in 2025 are Nippon India Index Fund, UTI Nifty 50 Index Fund, HDFC Top 100 Fund, ICICI Prudential Balanced Advantage Fund, and Axis Blue Chip Fund. Start with SIPs, keep it simple, diversify, and think long term. Avoid chasing hype, avoid too many funds, and stay consistent. Now, I want to hear from you. Which mutual funds are you planning to start with in 2025? Comment below and let me know. And if you found this video useful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friend who is just starting their investing journey. Thanks for watching and see you again.